Where is cryptocurrency headed next, and how can it become a reliable financial ally? Viktoras Karapetyants, financial expert and analyst at Traders Union, attended Crypto Conference 2025 in Kyiv to learn more. This major event in cryptocurrency, blockchain, and innovative technologies offered exclusive insights into key trends. Watch the video to the end and subscribe to the Traders Union channel to be among the first to learn more. Crypto Conference 2025, held on April 27 at the Parkovy Convention and Exhibition Center in Kyiv, brought together more than 2,500 participants and over 20 speakers from various areas of the crypto industry. The program included presentations by top experts, panel discussions, and interactive zones from partners. The conference addressed key industry questions: how to make cryptocurrency a reliable part of personal finance, whether mining can remain profitable in 2025, why the majority of tokens are likely to disappear, and how traders are misled by market manipulations. Particular attention was paid to the prospects of real estate tokenization, the potential applications of Web3 and blockchain for combating crypto crime, as well as forecasts for the Altseason, which may not happen at all this year. Participating in the conference was a strategically significant step for Traders Union, strengthening its role as an analytical and informational platform in the cryptocurrency world. We continue to develop our expert division to share only verified, relevant, and reliable information about market opportunities with our audience. In upcoming videos, you will experience the event's atmosphere, hear insights from key speakers, and discover noteworthy projects. Subscribe to our channels. Links in the description below the video to stay informed.